Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 4-1 from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. So first let's get started by drawing in the eyes. So we're going to draw in a circle on the left hand side. And now let's leave quite a big gap. We're going to come across on the right hand side and we're just going to replicate that. Let's move across towards the right hand corner now. We're going to draw in another circle inside both of our eyes for the pupil. And now in the top left corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. And now we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now we're going to focus on the left-hand side and we're going to start by drawing in the number 4. So we're going to start underneath the eye, drawing in a small diagonal line coming out on the left. We're going to continue up on the right-hand side, drawing in another diagonal line coming up towards the center. To the right of that, from that point, we're going to draw this straight line down towards the bottom and we're going to end that at the same height as the line in the corner. And then from here, we're just going to flatten that out with a straight line for the center of the number 4. Let's move up above our eye. Above our eye here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through towards the top. And then now on the top here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across towards the middle. From the top corner, let's draw our straight line coming down towards the middle. On the side here, we're going to draw a straight line coming out. And then we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to bring that back in towards the center. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to step up on a diagonal. We're going to leave a gap, moving this line over towards the left-hand side. And then now from here, we're going to bring this up towards our eye on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides, and we're just going to end that so it ends at the same height. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. Let's draw in the number 1 now. So coming over on our right eye, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through towards the left. From that point there, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. And again, let's bring this diagonal line through towards the top there. And then we're going to flatten this out by bringing this line over towards the right. From the top corner now, we're going to bring this line down towards the top of our eye. And then we're just going to follow this line through underneath our eye towards the bottom, and we're going to end that at the same height as the number 4 on the left. We're going to move across on the left-hand side, drawing in another straight line coming down, again, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to flatten that out with a straight line across. Let's draw in the legs underneath. So we're going to draw in 2 straight lines on the left-hand side. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side and just replicating that again. Let's close that off with a curved line from left to right on the bottom. Let's step up in the center. We're going to draw in 2 more curved lines, just creating a stripe in the center of the leg. We'll do this on both sides. Now let's draw on the shoes. So coming over on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then now from here on this top, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards our ankle. Now for the top of the shoe, we're going to arch this line around and then down towards the inside corner. And now let's close off the bottom of the shoe with a curved line, bringing that in towards that inside line. Now let's draw in the sole of the shoe. So we're going to come down and we're going to curve this line across back towards the inside and through. Lastly, let's draw in our arms. So we're going to focus on the left side first. So we're going to start with the top of the arm, curving this line out. We're going to drop down, replicating that, curving that over and across. Now from here on the top, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Now let's move across for the wrist. We're going to curve this line around, down, and then up. Now for the thumb, let's curve this line up, around, and then back in. We're going to come down for the base of the fingers, just drawing in a curved line from top to bottom. Let's draw on our first finger now. So from that point, we're going to bring this line around, down, and then through towards the middle. We're going to step down in the center again, curving this around, down, and then through towards the center again. And then one more time, bringing this around, up, and through towards the top. Let's draw on our right arm now. So we're going to have this one kind of hanging down. So from the side here, we're going to curve that through towards the bottom corner. We're going to move up again, replicating that, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Like we did on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small curved line for the top. Let's draw in our wrist. So stepping down, we're going to curve this up, connecting that together, bringing that through, and then back down on the side. And now let's draw in our thumb. So we're going to curve this around and up. For the first finger, we're going to bring this around and up towards the top. Moving over, let's replicate that, curving that through. And then one last time, arching this around and then in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw 4-1 from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.